I know it's not Tuesday and I jump around with Taco Day. It's just kind of how I feel. So it's Taco Monday, okay? Not Taco Tuesday.
Taco Day and Pizza Day is the best day. Now that's what you call family time. You know what I'm saying?
Whoa! I'm wow!
And thank you, Perfect Creations, for the lovely personalized letter. This is so beautiful. We're having a great time. I can't wait to do mine.
How you doing?
Great.
Good. Me too.
Good.
I'm happy. I always get excited when we're in here. We're creating, you know, making magic, making things happen.
Together.
Feels good.
As a team.
Exactly. So since we're talking about creating, I think it'd be fitting to talk about the sponsors for this video. We want to give a big shout out and a big thanks to Perfect Creations.
Thank you so much. We are so grateful. We can't tell you how much fun that we had with
So much fun.
our kids. It was amazing. And guys, when I tell you, like, this was such a special moment for us to be able to have family time and to, on this level of creating, you know, to see our kids' creativity and, you know, to see how, you know, colors play in their head. It was just so beautiful.
Yeah.
From our 2-year-old all the way up to our 15-year-old.
Yep.
We had such a great time.
And that's what I really love about these Perfect Creation kids, because it literally brought our family together.
It really did. And we all had such a great time, right?
It was fun.
Yes. I mean,
We were laughing, cracking jokes, and it was good.
it was good. And it was good to see. What I love about the Perfect Creation kids is that you can't go wrong. Like we said,
I
our
know.
2-year-old was doing it, but she was making like the biggest mess with it. We were like, how is this going to turn out? And to see the final product was just so beautiful.
So look at this. This is done by our 2-year-old, right? Let me get a
Look
close
at how
up.
beautiful that is.
Look at this.
So
Right?
it's literally like foolproof.
So
It's literally like foolproof.
exactly. She's only 2 years old. She's not an artiste, right? But the way that it works, it's like there's a stencil, so you can color. You can color all around it, and then, you know, you can go out the lines. You can, right? But then once you pull the sticker off, it makes this beautiful creation.
Yeah,
Right?
so beautiful.
It's incredible. So this is my son. My son is not an artiste.
Our
Right.
13-year-old did that.
It's beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And then I did this one. A nice, beautiful Shabbat one, right? And I must say, you know, me doing this, it was so therapeutic. Like, it was just, it was very peaceful, right? And at the same time, like you said, it was just that family time and laughing and having fun. And, you know, our little one, our 4-year-old, she like does not like things to be like messed up. So she's thinking hers is like messed up. And we're like, it's going to be beautiful. Just wait. Like, wait till we take off the sticker. So she was anticipating us taking that sticker off. And then when she finally saw the end result, she had the hugest smile on her face. So it was just so cute. But when I say that these are just great ways to be able to connect with your family, no matter what age they are. This is a beautiful way to have family come together.
So if you're interested, we hope that you are.
Yes.
Because it's really, really cool. But we put a link in the description, and there's our coupon code. You can use that, and
which is House of Lev.
Which is House of Lev, and support the company. They
Yes.
are awesome company, doing some incredible things. And we're so grateful. Thank you, Perfect Creations, for giving us an opportunity to continue to build our family unit and to elevate our family.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Perfect Creation. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Every time when I come in here into the dining room, I think of family, right? Because this is where we spend most of our family time, right? Especially, between here and the living room. Mm-hmm. But I think here is when it's the most intentional, because this is where we have, we have our dinners.
We don't have a TV. We talk Torah.
TV in here. We talk about Torah. We learn. We laugh. Talk about our day at school, at work, whatever.
Yeah, you guys' days at school is the best. You guys are in, I think, Mom, you're in elementary. I like it.
That is amazing. How did you feel doing it?
I loved it. It was really good. It was really fun too. I liked how I did a lot of gold and stuff, and how I put Jerusalem as gold. It's really nice.
Was it beautiful?
Thank you. I like it. It was very fun and easy. I like it.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Holidays or something.
I can't see me.
Yeah, you can't. You have to be over here.
You gotta be by Abba.
I can't see me.
You gotta be by
You have to be by
Abba.
Abba.
Come on by
I'm
Abba.
facing you.
Hey, Bobo.
Go back to ABC.
You're not even in the camera.
What are you doing? What you gotta say? Yeah? Wait a minute.
Now you just gave her all the attention.
What you gotta say?
I don't want all eyes on me.
Okay.
Thank you, Perfect Creations.